welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do the granny triangle stitch. So I know that the granny square is very popular, but if you want to maybe make like a shawl or a triangle scarf and you want to do the granny square stitch but you don't know how to do it in a triangle instead of a square, I'm going to show y'all how to do that. It's very simple and very easy. After the third row, it basically follows a one row repeat, which is very nice. But before we go any farther and we get started, make sure to click the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, so you will never miss any tutorials from me. And we are going to jump right in this and get started. Okay, so I am using this Brava worsted weight yarn. I just picked up the skein, and I happened to pick up this green color. And if anyone's curious, it is the color Pea Pod, if y'all want to know. And I am also just using a 5.5mm hook. But any weight of yarn with the corresponding hook will work for this stitch. This is just what I picked up to use. Okay, so I have just made a slip knot and put it on my hook here. And to get started for row 1, we are very simply going to chain 4. And then we're going to slip stitch in this very first stitch we made to form a ring. Like so. Okay, so after you've joined with a slip stitch, you are going to chain 4 stitches. And I do want to mention that every chain 4 here on after will stand for a double crochet and a chain 1 space. So on each row, when you chain 4 at the beginning, it's going to be a double crochet and a chain 1 space. So it's going to count as. So now after we've chained 4, we are going to work 3 double crochet into this ring. Okay, 3 double crochet. We're going to chain 2. We're going to work 3 more double crochet into this ring. There's 3. Okay, and then we're going to chain 1 and work 1 double crochet into the ring. And that is the end of row 1. And you can see how it's starting to look already like a triangle. So simply going on to row 2, we're going to chain 4. We're going to turn it, and we're going to work 3 double crochet in this chain 1 space. Okay, after that we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in this chain 2 space. So 3 double crochet, we're going to chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet in that same chain 2 space. Then we're going to chain 1, and in this last chain 1 space we're going to make 3 double crochet, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to double crochet in the very last stitch. And if you'll remember, our chain 4 counts as a double crochet and a chain 1 stitch. So you will double crochet into the 3rd chain up of this chain 4. So you can just count up to the 3rd chain and work a double crochet into it. And that is round 2. And you can see how it's starting to look like a triangle, even more so. So going on to round 3, we're going to chain 4, turn our work, we're going to place 3 double crochet in this chain 1 space, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to work 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space. You're going to chain 1 again, and when you reach the chain 2 space, you are going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet on that chain 2 space. There's my 3 double crochet, 1 chain 2, then work 3 more double crochet. Then I'm going to chain 1 and work 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space. One chain 1 and work 3 double crochet in this last chain space. I'm going to chain 1 and place a double crochet in the 3rd chain up of this chain 4. And that is the end of round 3. So that's basically how easy it is to make the granny square in a triangle. So I'll go ahead and do another row. Row 4 is basically going to be a repeat of row 3. We're going to chain 4, and we're going to turn our work. And then we're going to place 3 double crochet in this chain 1 space. And then you will chain 1. And you're going to work a 3 double crochet and chain 1 across in every chain 1 space until you reach this chain 2 space. When you reach the chain 2 space, you're going to do it just like you've done the other chain 2s. You're going to put 3 double crochet in it. Then you're going to chain 2. And you're going to put 3 more double crochet in it. And then you're going to chain 1. And you're going to pick back up this side. Put 3 double crochet and a chain 1 across in every chain 1 space. Last chain 1 space, you're going to put 3 more double crochet. And the main thing to remember is after you put those 3 double crochet that you chain 1 and then put that last double crochet in the 3rd chain up of the chain 4. That's the main thing to remember. And that is how you just continue repeating that, or repeating round 4 as many till it's as big and you have as many rows as you'd like. And that's how easy it is to crochet the granny triangle stitch. I hope y'all found this tutorial helpful. If y'all did, be sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if y'all haven't already, because y'all don't want to miss any more crochet pattern or stitch tutorials that I'll do in the future. So be sure to do that, and happy crocheting, guys.